Hey, surprise everyone. This is a surprise impromptu Sunday video. You guys are probably seeing this Sunday afternoon, Sunday evening, something like that. But Vicki and I wanted to get on here and just do kind of a little quick announcement, thank you, information thing. So many of you know Gigi, Joanne Willis, and Gigi, and she makes signs. She's been making signs for several years now and makes terrific signs. She's also in the t-shirt business. So look what she made for us. These are t-shirts that we just got surprised with yesterday. And this is, you know, the road show in Colorado is happening in a few weeks, and she designed these and made these for Vicki and I. You'll see Vicki's here in a second. And Gigi, Joanne, we absolutely love them. Thank you, thank you, thank you so much. And even got a little tribute to Dad on there. And these are actually, Gigi's making these for sale, and she makes all different kinds of shirts. So this is Vicki's, and this has got kind of a...
So here's the details, what I understand. You need to contact Gigi directly. Do not go through me. And these were actually a gift from Tessa. So don't go through Tessa. If you want a shirt, Gigi is selling them. You have to contact her quickly because she has a limited stock. I know she got some shirts in, but she just had a big order from another person. So here's what I know. So Eric's shirt is considered a non-bleached. Mine is considered bleached. It's kind of faded and stuff like that. It's bleached. So for the non-bleached, like Eric's, they're $20 from a small through an extra large. If you want a 2X and up, they're $24. And this is, you got to add shipping. Whatever Gigi says the shipping is, it's the 24 plus shipping. And for the bleached, they're $24 for a small through extra large, and they're $27 for the 2X and up. Again, those prices do not include shipping. Shipping will be added on, and Gigi will let you know.
Don't hit the microphone.
Oh, sorry, I hit the mic. Gigi will let you know what the shipping is. Once the shirts are paid for, then Gigi will make them and ship them. So, if you were interested in a shirt, which let me tell you, they're really soft.
Yeah, these are those soft
kind. They are. Very
really
soft.
Very
and
nice.
I love my faded one, my bleached one. Anyway, get in touch with Gigi. She is Joanne Willis, or Gigi's Wood Signs on Instagram. I think she has a shirt Instagram, but I don't know what it is. And she's also on Facebook, Gigi's Wood Signs maybe, or Eric's looking. No,
I guess that's...
or Joanne Willis. You can contact her through either way. So
she's in Tennessee, right?
I believe she's in Tennessee.
I think she's in Tennessee.
So anyway, Gigi, thank you so much for the shirts.
We love
Tessa,
them.
we love you guys. You too, not you guys, just you. And thank you for the shirts. Anyway, guys, that's what we just kind of wanted to show that, throw that out there. So if you guys are interested in a shirt for the road show, if you're going to the road show, contact Gigi and she'll set you up.
But she can also do custom stuff.
Oh,
right?
She does all kinds of stuff.
So if you guys got an idea for something with your sign company on it or something like that,
contact
I'm sure
Gigi.
Joanne can help you out. So these are...
I'm going to go back over there.
By the way, these are printed. These aren't like vinyl or anything like that. These are, I don't know if they're screen printed or exactly how they're done, but they're super high quality. So congratulations, Joanne. I know your sign business is doing well, and I'm sure your t-shirt business is going to take off as well. So we highly recommend. This lady is nothing awesome. But class. So thank you again, Joanne. We love you. And hit her up if you want some shirts, guys. Have a great night. We love you. Bye.